Alright everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to give a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. We are actually going to be doing an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Valentines mystery box. So I have got the premium box. The other two for some reason weren't showing on the website whenever I went in to purchase them. So I don't know what happened with that, but at least I got the premium. It's heavy. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see. This tape is wrinkled on this side, so maybe I could just pull it up. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is just tissue paper. Oh my god. Okay, so the first thing I got is Jeffree Star's lip gloss. So if anybody has the Shane Dawson lip gloss, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's Jeffree Star approved. So I have not seen, oh my god, it's succulent. Holy smokes. If you guys can take a look at that. And it's pink. Oh my gosh. Wait, what's that smell? It smells like, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. It's like really iridescent. It's so cute. I love this. What is that? What is that smell? Smells like, oh my gosh, I know this smell. I want to say marshmallow or, oh my gosh, it's some kind of sweet. Hon, tell me what this smells like. What is that?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow, right?
It's like almost like a toasted marshmallow.
Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, okay. And then I got this. It is so cute. It's a Jeffree Star beanie, and it's got little hearts, like the little Smarty, like candy hearts. Oh my god. And I'm not a beanie girl, so let's hope this looks good on me, because I hate the way beanies look on me. I absolutely hate them. So let me take this off, and let's stick this bad boy on. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, I actually love this one. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Ah. OMG. Okay, I'm filming on my phone, so you guys cannot see, but I have the red pop socket from the last mystery box. Well, not the last one, but the very first one I ever bought. And now I have a pink Jeffree Star pop socket. Yay, I can switch them out. Okay, I'm loving this box so far. My god. More tissue. And then there's, shut up, Jeffree. I'm going to flip out if this is a freaking eyeshadow palette. Shut up! The freaking alien palette! Oh my god! Oh my god. No way. Freaking alien. I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. my God. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. This alone is the price of the box. What the hell? Jeffree Star, what are you doing? He's practically giving this away. Oh my God. That green alien, flying saucer, Moonrock X-Files, Space Cowboy. There is a shade called Space Cowboy. I'm done. And Black Hole. I am loving this. This is the best. This is the best mystery box he's ever put out. He was not lying when he said that we are going to be amazed. This was so worth the $60. Oh my God. I'm in love. I'm in love with my alien palette. I'm in love with my beanie. Look how cute it looks. See, this is the only thing. I have one of those little round dumpy heads, so like I can't, this thing keeps coming up. I don't know how to do that. How do you fold it down just to leave it like that?
I can show you.
Okay. I'll figure out. But yeah, that's it. That's the end of the mystery box unboxing. But holy cow, like, do you guys need anything more? The alien palette, the pop socket, the Valentine's beanie, and the lip gloss. I'm super happy with it. I honestly, like, yeah, I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is amazing. I absolutely love this box. If you guys want to see the other unboxings that I've done, you can go ahead and check them out. I'll put them there. And you can check out the other unboxings that I've done for Jeffree Star. I'm speechless. I am so excited. I can't even believe that I have the freaking, I have the alien palette. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to go play with my eyeshadow palette. But yeah, make sure you guys give this a like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. I know that unboxing is not my forte. It's not something that I do all the time. But I absolutely love Jeffree Star products. And I definitely wanted to do an unboxing to show you guys. I mostly do Disney videos. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to follow along. If not, thank you guys so much for watching and have a magical day. Bye.